Here he comes. Check it out. Coming in for a landing at CLT, Charlotte Douglas. Oh wow, look at this. I'm at one of the local parks, and this is off the beaten trail. So this is the camera pointing straight ahead. That's all you can see. You have to go up, up, up to see the top. It's part of the Paul Creek Greenway. Here's another little offshoot area. Let me walk down here. It looks like a steep drop off. Oh, okay. Not as steep as I thought. Let's go a little further. Oh wow. This isn't too bad at all. Alright. So we go down this hill. I see what looks like a bridge. Alright. So there's another little trail to go down. Yeah, I gotta come back here. I didn't expect all this. We got some real trails here. So this is the park. And the sign at the beginning says a half-mile loop, which this is a part of. And I figured it was nothing really to write home about. Well, we got us some trails going on here. It looks like they just kind of made this trail, kind of smashed a hole in the forest. Well, check that out. That's down in that area that I want to go and explore. All right, there it is. Comes out right beside the playground.